This is Teacher the Diva coming at you with another video. And today I am making my Christmas strawberry and cream cheese Danish. And let's get started. This is a quick and easy recipe. Instead of using the phyllo dough, which was $3.98 for a sheet like this, and since I'm making such a big one, that would cost me about $20. So I know the difference between the phyllo dough and regular pie crust is butter. So what I did was I bought 2 packs of pie crust, and I used a total of 3 in a pan that I had smeared butter on the day before and let that sit and envelop in that. And then I placed it in my lightly greased baking pan, and I put it all out, careful to pinch the seams so that they would be even, conducive, and blended in very well. The next step is I made my cream cheese pastry filling, and you can find the recipe at allrecipe.com. It's nothing but 2 bricks of softened cream cheese, half a stick of softened butter, sour cream, lemon juice, white sugar, and vanilla. Easy peasy. So I put that down the middle of the pie crust, and I'm putting my strawberry fruit filling that I got from the bakery out at Walmart. It was normally $2.39, but I got it on sale for $1.59. So what I'm doing, you see me doing now, is I'm just piping it out on either side of the cream filling. You see how big that was? That was completely full. And I'm just going to spread it out evenly so every part has some of this strawberry cream. Okay, like so. Yes. I'm trying to get where you guys can see, because this is quick and easy. And I'll tell you guys now, I made a drizzle to put on top after it comes out and it's cool. And it's just powdered sugar, the white confectioner sugar, and it is sweetened condensed milk and half a stick of melted butter. And this is what it looks like. And I'm gonna add to it. See that? I want it to be a drizzle. That's frosting. So I'm just gonna add more liquid. Okay? So this is what it looks like. See that? That's the cream cheese filling, pastry filling, and the strawberry, the fruit filling. Okay? So now I'm going to take you guys over here so you can see what I've done. I took the remaining pie crust and I wanted to do something extra, not regular smegular. So I rolled out the greased, you can see the butter here, the greased pie crust onto a little bit of flour there. And I took my cookie cutters and I made little shapes to go throughout, and then I did some of my own crosses. You guys see that? And what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm just going to place that on top of the Danish before I put it in the oven. And that's what you're going to see me doing now. Just here and there, just to cover. And I have Santa Clauses. I have, that's the leaf with the hollies. Let's see, put some up here. I have gingerbread men. I have crosses. I even have a little baby to signify Jesus. Santa Claus, snowman. And just go down the middle there with the ones that are left. Let me scoop the gingerbread man down and snowman down and put the cross in the middle, because we all know Jesus is the reason for the season, honey. Okay. This is what it looks like. You guys see that? My oven is preheated at 350. It's going to go into the oven. I want to put it on the top rack. Like I said, I have to add more filling, more liquid to this, because I want it to be a drizzle and not thick frosting. Let me add a little bit of sweetened condensed. See if I can get that loosened up a bit there. But yeah, that is going to cook for approximately about 15 minutes. I'm going to check it. You know, my crust should be brown. That filling, that pastry filling should have expanded a little. Yeah, but I don't like the pastries that are completely covering that. I like to see the cream in the middle and the fruit filling on each side. I like to see that. But this is the quickest, easiest recipe. And it didn't even have to be that long. I just wanted to add some fun touches to the top, since it is for the Christmas holiday. Yeah, but let me show you guys again, so you guys can see. Let me get a little. You guys see how lovely that looks? It smells good already. And it doesn't take it long. What has to cook is the crust, because there's nothing in the other ingredients that need to brown or cook, so to speak. But yeah, I think I'm going to add just a little bit of cold water. Just a little bit. Just to thin this out, to make it, see, thin. And as I said, I clean my kitchen as I go. So there's really no mess to be cleaned up. You're just waiting for your whatever you're baking to be done. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I was going to make double. I didn't need to make double. Woohoo! So I'll probably make some cheese balls or something like that. Got a special event coming up Monday, so I want to take some goodies with me. I may just make some mini cheese balls and different flavors, about 3 different flavors, and stick some maybe pretzel sticks on the top so individual bite-sized cheese balls. So, and that's easy. You just add some seasoning like ranch or taco seasoning to the cheese. Add some cheddar cheese to give it a little stability. Some parsley. Roll it up in balls, and you might want to roll it in maybe some more parsley or what is that I love? Cilantro or nuts. um, pulverized candy cane. It's endless. You gotta make stuff your own to your own liking, to each their own. But yeah, you guys, that was so easy to do. I lost my baking partner because he's up on that PlayStation 4, so he said he'll be the taste tester. Of course. That only means he's coming into his manhood, honey. They all want to be taste testers. But easy peasy recipe. The only thing I prepared the night before was the adding the butter to the pie crust. I rolled it out. I added pats of butter and I smeared it all in the dough. And then I rolled it back up and put cellophane around it and put it back in the refrigerator. And I took it out this afternoon so it'd be soft and pliable. But what I did an hour before I did my recipe is I put the one that I was going to make the shapes out of in the freezer so it would be a little bit harder and easier to work with. So yeah, this is turning into a clean with me. But yeah, I'm one of those, I clean as I go. I don't wait till everything's done. Because I cannot cook. I cannot cook in a dirty kitchen. I just can't do it. I can't do it. Everything has to be clean. But yeah, I'm getting ready to taste this frosting. Getting ready to taste this frosting, you guys, so I can see if it needs any butter. And oh yeah, I do cook with non-fat powdered milk when I'm baking. That's what I do. And my mixer, y'all, is on its last leg. My mixer is on its last leg. It's gotten so that the only one of the mixers will fit in, you know. So it served me well. I've had this mixer for about, I'll say about 8 years. And I bought it at Family Dollar for $10. So I did get my use out of it. Yeah. And believe me, it has taken a beating because my kids used to use it also. Okay. Yes, honey, yes. Now I just gotta wait. Oh yeah, it's a cooking. I gotta wait. It'll be about 20 minutes, but I will be posting my end result on my Instagram channel. Now, I am also known on there as DJ the Diva, aka Anointed in Grace. Okay? Look at that. Now that's a drizzle. And all I did was add a little bit more liquid, which was my sweetened condensed milk. Let me taste. Glorious. Glorious. I can put my sweetened condensed milk up in my fridge now. That is done. Wash my hands again. Okay. Hot water. Hot water. Okay. I'm going to move my frosting closer to the stove. Well, I'm going to actually put it on the stove so that it that heat will keep it nice and light. Wipe off my stand here. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff up. Shoot, my kitchen shears aren't working as good as they were. I'm gonna have to buy some more kitchen shears. But yeah, that is how I make my Christmas Danish. And like I said, make it your own. The top pie crust that was supposed to go on top, I use cookie cutters, Christmas cookie cutters, and I cut out shapes and I place that along where I want it to go on the Danish. Easy peasy. The dough was already made. I just had to place it. Well, I added more butter to make it more flaky, like a phyllo crust. But you just have to place it in your baking pan and just pinch along where the seams meet. Because I had to use three because I made a large one. So that they all blend together and there's no opening or cracks where your filling can fall through. Yeah. So, easy peasy. Just took a couple minutes. 2 or 3 minutes. And then I made my pastry filling. Like I said, white sugar, cream cheese, lemon juice, vanilla, sour cream, and white sugar. Bam. Done. Done. You can find that recipe on allrecipe.com. You guys are laying sideways now. You know I have you rigged, but I can do better than that. And then the icing. Powdered sugar. Sweetened condensed milk. Butter. That's it. And I added a little bit of water to make it more, I wanted that drizzle effect. More so than I did the, more so than I wanted frosting, you know. So, yeah. Alright, y'all, I'm seeing some changes in there. Change. Alright. This is DJ the Diva. I love you to life. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Check my Instagram and you will see the end result. Or check me out on Pinterest. DJ the Diva. I'm on there also. And I will post that on Pinterest and Instagram. The end result, how it looks. And all that jazz. So, I love you guys to life. Thank you for supporting my channel. Please like and subscribe. I see you guys viewing, but I need more subscribers, you guys. Please like and subscribe and comment if you have something to say, even if it's, oh, that looks delicious. You know, I support you guys. Please support me. I love you to life. Act blessed, talk blessed, walk blessed, and be a blessing to the Lord by blessing somebody else. This is DJ the Diva, and I'm out, you guys. Bye.